I'm Jen Schaefer, and I'll be playing Janet Weiss in Rocky Horror. And this process has been really, really interesting because it's been probably the shortest rehearsal process that I've ever experienced, which is really exciting actually, and it kind of forced us all, I think, we had to work on our stuff a lot beforehand, so we had to come in off book and having all our music memorized, so that was a big challenge and stuff, and everything's been really condensed, 10 to 10 rehearsals, so that's been really interesting. Another thing that kind of has just been really interesting about the show is the camp style, which I've never done before, so it's really interesting to get used to kind of switching it on and switching it off, and just the big grandeur of everything. And so that's been really interesting. And one of the things I'm most excited about is just all the feedback with the audience. I think that's going to be really great. People like to yell stuff and things like that, so I think that's going to be really exciting. We've been practicing just recently with the call libretto, so our stage manager has been calling out all the stuff. So that's been really interesting, trying to interact with that, and that's a big challenge. Another big challenge that has been involved with this process is the whole factor of how risque this show is. And for some people, you know, they're pretty comfortable with it. For me personally, it's been a huge, huge challenge because I am not like that in real life at all. So, you know, getting used to wearing your bra and underwear on stage is a little bit interesting. But, I think it definitely has brought us all closer as a cast, and we have to learn to, everything's been very professional, the way everything's been handled, so that was really exciting, and we've definitely all learned to trust each other a lot, because that's very important in a show like that, to know that somebody's not going to go too far with something on opening night, and knowing that it's going to be the same every night, and just finding, I think, the humor in all the risque parts has been really great, because otherwise it might be kind of awkward.